And the class cyclostomata, okay. And then Pisces that bears the fins, that is chondrichthyes and osteochthyes, and then tetrapod that bears the limbs, okay. And amphibians, reptiles, aves, and mammals. The class cyclostomata, like they all living members, they are ectoparasites, and bearing 6 to 50 pairs of gill slits. They have sucking and circular mouth without jaws, devoid of scales, and paired fins are absent. Cranium and vertebral column, these are cartilaginous and close type of circulation. They are marine but migrate for spawning to fresh water. So after spawning, so within a few days they die, and their larvae after metamorphosis return to the oceans, like from fresh water to oceans back to their native habitat. Examples: petromyzon, that is lamprey, and myxine, that is hagfish. In the diagram, it is jawless vertebrate. It is petromyzon class chondrichthyes. These are marine animals, and they have cartilaginous endoskeleton. Mouth ventrally. Notochord is persistent throughout the life of chondrichthyes. They do not have operculum. Skin is tough. They have the plicoid scales. Teeth modified plicoid scales. Okay, and jaw very powerful, so predaceous, and absence of air bladder. And then electric organ, torpedo, trigon, that is poison sting, and poikilotherms. These are, and sexes are separate in males. In males pelvic fins bear claspers, okay. They have internal fertilizations, and many of them, these are viviparous, right? And examples are Scolidion, that is dogfish, Petris, that is sawfish, and then Carcharodon, that is great white shark, and Trigon, that is stingray. You see in the diagram. Now osteochthyes, they have both marine and fresh, both. And mouth mostly terminal. They have 4 pairs of gills. They have operculum. Skin covered by cyclotenoid scales. Air bladder is present, and fertilization is external, okay. And then they are mostly oviparous, and development is direct, no larval stage in the osteochthyes. Then examples like marine osteochthyes, and some are, okay, freshwater osteochthyes. So in the marine, like exochetus, that is flying fish, hippocampus, sea horses, and freshwater labio, rohu, katla, that is katla, clarius, that is magur, and aquarium, that is betta fighting fish, pterophyllum, that is angelfish. These are aquarium, right? And now class amphibia. See in the diagram: hippocampus, seahorses, katla, that is katla, clarius is magur, rohu is labio. Then class amphibia. In here see, like class amphibia, they can be like first terrestrial animals, right? Most of them have 2 pairs of limbs, body divided into head and trunk. Arthropod, uh, head, thorax, and abdomen. In here, head and trunk. Tail may be present in some. The skin is moist, without scales. Eyes have eyelids. Tympanum represents the ear. Now, alimentary canal, urinary, and reproductive tracts open to a common chamber called cloaca. Okay, cloaca, which opens to the exterior. Now respiration by gills, lungs, and through the skin, mostly during the estivation and hibernation. Okay, heart is 3 chambered, okay. And then fertilization is external. They are oviparous. Development is indirect. Bufo, that is toad. Rana, that is frog. Hyla, that is tree frog, right? Salamander, that is salamander. Istiophis, that is limbless amphibians, okay. Toad and Rana, that is frog. Given in the diagram, it is Rana, that is frog. Bufo, that is toad, that is poisonous. First one is the salamander in the diagram. Then class Reptilia, and they are creeping, crawling mode of locomotions, and they are mostly terrestrial animals, and their body is covered by dry and cornified skin, epidermal scales, and scutes. So they are mostly dry. Epidermal scales and scutes. Okay, their external ear opening tympanal represents the ear limb. When present, they are two in number. Okay, but four chambered in crocodile heart. Then these are poikilotherium snakes and lizards shed their scales as skin cast. Okay, now fertilization is internal. Their oviparous development is direct. Now chilon, that is turtle. Testuda, that is tortoise. Okay, chilon is turtle. Chameleon, tree lizard. Calots, garden lizard. Crocodilus, crocodile. Alligator, alligator. Hemidactylus, wall lizard. Poisonous snakes, that is naja, cobra. Bangarus, that is crate, or vipera, that is viper. Now aves, the second last class of vertebrata, five subphylum vertebrata. So aves, as you can see, aves, these are birds. Their presence of feathers and most of them can fly except flightless birds, that is ostrich, kiwi, and and abdinotoids, that is penguins. Now hind limbs, they have scales, and the hind limbs have scales for walking, and skin is dry without glands except the oil glands at the base of the tail. Now endoskeleton is fully ossified. These are bony. Long bones are hollow. These with air cavities. These are pneumatic and digestive tract of birds. They have additional chambers, that is crop and gizzard. And these are homeotherms, just like mammals, and they can maintain their constant body temperature. Respiration by lungs and air sac supplements the lung respiration. Then internal fertilization, they are oviparous and development is direct. So corvus, crow, columba, pigeon, cicecula, that is parrot, sutio, ostrich, pavo, peacock, aptenotois, penguin, neoprawn, that is vulture. Okay, now this is it, like aves and all that. Now last class is the mammalia. Now they are found almost everywhere, and some can fly, can live in water. Now the most unique mammalian characteristic is the presence of milk producing glands. This is mammalian glands. And the skin in mammals is unique. Why they are unique? Because they possess ear, external ear, spin are present. They have different types of teeth. They are homeothermous, and viviparous, with exception of ornithorhynchus, that is platypus. It is an oviparous, right? Now viviparous. Development is direct, right? Almost no larva. Now macropus, it is kangaroo. Petropus, that is flying fox. Flying fish is exocutus. It's an osteochites, that is bony fish, right? Then camelus, that is camel. Macaca, that is monkey. Ratus, rat. Canis, dog. Felis, cat. Elephas, elephant. Equus, horse. Delphinus, that is common dolphin. Balænoptera, that is blue whale. Panthera tigris, that is tiger. And then Panthera leo, that is leon. Now see in the chart, there are silent pictures of different phyla in the animal kingdom. So see the segmentation present in Annelida, Arthropoda, and Chordata, right? And then digestive system is completed first in the Aschelminthis. So before that, Platyhelminthes has incomplete digestive system, and circulatory system is absent in Aschelminthis. It's first time seen in the annelids, that is closed circulatory system. And then respiratory system present first in Arthropoda. So it is absent in Annelida, right? And okay, hemichordata, these are worm like animals, small group of animals with proboscis, collar and trunk region. And in Platyhelminthes, these are flat body suckers, and then in Aschelminthis, these are often worm shaped, elongated, right? And so yeah, this is it, the chapter. And symmetry is various in poriferans, right? Okay, the echinodons possesses spiny skin. Okay, spiny skin, right? Echinodons possesses spiny skin. Okay, The endoskeleton is endoskeleton, that is calcareous ossicles, and endoskeleton of calcareous ossicles in echinoderms, and in mollusca they have calcareous shell. Okay, and in and in Coelenterata the skeleton of Coelenterata has calcium carbonate. So that's it.